Number 11. Alright, so it looks confusing. It's easier than you think. Alright, let me talk about parallel lines cut by a transversal first. Alright, so there's several proofs that your kids know about which one of these angles are congruent. Okay, here's an example. This angle right here, this one, is congruent to this one. And they could probably tell you it's called alternate interior angles. Alright, so if you have parallel lines cut by a transversal, the alternate interior lines are congruent, which means that they're exact same. And there's others, like this one right here. That angle is the same as this one, and it's called alternate exterior angles are congruent. Alright, so with that being said, if you have parallel lines cut by a transversal, if you pick two angles that are not congruent, they're always going to add up to 180 degrees. So this angle right here plus that angle right there, they're not congruent, but they do add up to 180 degrees. They're supplementary angles, to kind of throw some math lingo at you. Alright, so what they're saying is this is 40 degrees. This is, we don't know. That is, we don't know. They want to know what is angle X plus angle Y. Okay, so let me redraw this so that it doesn't have a triangle in there, because it might be easier to see. So I have parallel lines. I have this transversal. They tell me this is Y, and this is X and 40 degrees. Okay, you see, because I've got this angle right here. There's X plus this. So together, that they are this angle right here. Together. Alright? So X plus 40 degrees, that's what that angle equals. Now, this angle and this angle, they are not congruent. They're not one of my proofs for congruent angles. So, what that means is that they add up to 180 degrees. In other words, this stuff plus that equals 180. So let me write that out. We have X plus 40 plus Y equals 180 degrees. So they want to know, what does X and plus Y equal? So I need to get rid of this 40 right here. Now, just like in algebra, we use the inverse operation to get rid of that 40. So the opposite of adding 40 is subtracting 40. I'm going to subtract 40 on this right side. I'm left on the left side with X plus Y equals 180 minus 40 is 140 degrees. And that is exactly what they're asking for. What is X plus Y? Well, X plus Y equals 140 degrees. B is the correct answer.